In this video, we'll be looking for copying and filling, and different shortcuts are also. Let's see those one by one. In this place, if you see, I have a data with name column, price and UST, which has different formats and different colors available. Now, I'll just do a simple copy paste. I'll just select the cell, select the entire data, and then I'll click on this home tab, and then I'll click on copy. If I want to paste, I'll just select any cell where there's no data, and then just click on this paste option. So the data will be copied as it is, and will be pasted in the new place. Let's see the next one. But if I don't want the data with the formats, I want separately. First, I want only the data, so I'll use something known as Space Special. So how do we do that? So first, I'll select this data, press copy. I'll keep my cursor in this cell, and now I don't want the formats. I only want the values, so I'll go to the Space Special, and I'll select the values option. Here you can see this values, so I'll select this values. So if you observe carefully, the formats of this number, repeat is not converted as it is given as it is. The number, the formats of repeat, they have not given here. It's only the values are given. Similarly, for dollars, the dollar number are removed and only the numbers are given. If you see the blue line, which is given on the top, it has been removed and only the data has been given. Similarly, if I don't want the data, I only want the formats, so I'll do the same option. I'll select the data, copy, and I'll keep my cursor in this location. I'll go to Paste Special, and I want the formats now, not the values, so I'll scroll down, and you can see there's a formatting. So once I click on formatting, only the formatting is available, but not the data. Okay, so this Space Special can be used at various places. One more example for Space Patient. If you see carefully, I have some data given here that is 1, 10, 20 in numbers in second column has one digit number. If I copy the first column, and if I paste on the second cell, second column, the data will be pasted as it is. But what if I want to paste and also add? For example, I want 10 to be pasted here plus added. That is 12. 20 plus 3 as 23. 40 plus 7 as 47. Have to go for Paste Special. Let's see how. So I'll first select this data and I'll copy that data. Second is, I'll keep my cursor in this place and I'll go for Paste Special. So I can go to this place and I can select the Space Patient. If I don't have the options available, I can go to this Space Patient dialog box. In this dialog box, if you see there are various options available, but I'll select this option as Add. The moment I click on OK, I've selected the Add button and I'll click on OK. So once I click on OK button, the number will be added along with paste. So I'll click on OK, so you can see number 12, 23, 35, and all the options are given. So that is the advantage of Paste Special. Similarly, I've done for addition. You can do for multiplication, subtraction, division, etc. All these options. Next I have a data in this place as vertical columns. In this place, the data is in the vertical columns. What if I want to transpose this data? I want this not as column headings, but as rule headings. So I'll select the data, press copy, and then I'll scroll at the bottom, and I'll go to Paste Special. I'll copy again, copy. I'll keep my cursor. I'll go for Paste, Suspicion, and there's an option available known as Transpose. So the moment I select Transpose, the column headings will be converted into row headings. Let's see that. So you can see the option is available as Transpose. So once I click on this Transpose, the column heading is converted to row heading. So the table can be used for other purposes also, right? Next how do we copy cells from one cell to one cell, or one cell to multiple cells? Let's see those one by one. So you can see, I have this Ronnie given here. If I want to copy this Ronnie in the entire column, I'll just keep my cursing this, please. And I have to keep my cursor at the bottom corner, right until I get a doctor symbol. That's a small doctor symbol. If you keep your cursor in between, there's a thicker doctor symbol. So I want this symbol at the right end corner. Once I drag down at the bottom, I'll get the same data copied everywhere. So that is copying from one cell to all the sense available. Next how do we copy to different worksheets? See, I have copied into the 2D column. One is D column or the rows. I can do it easily by the same method. I can drag it horizontally or vertically. Same method. But what if I want to copy to different worksheets? How do we do that? Let's see now. So I'll just copy this. Roni Control C. I want to paste into 3 worksheets. Let's say Jan, February, and March. So I'll go just randomly see that Jan month. There's nothing. February month. There's nothing. March. There's nothing. I want to copy this, Ronnie, in all the 3 sheets. So how do we do that? So I'll select this 3 sheets. January, February, and March like this. Control, click. Control, click. So I've copied these 3 sheets. And what I'll do is, I'll just click on the space option. So once I click on the space option, so, you see, wherever my cursor was, there, the running word was spaced in that place. So if you see cell number F24 in every sheet, in 3 sheets, F24 in month of January, F24 in month of February, March. So all the places the data has been copied. So that's the easiest method which will save your time. And it can be worked a lot. Next is how we use fill for quick copying. The thing which you have seen is right now. I've selected Johnny Ronnie and have dragged down. So I've got all the options available. Similarly, there are various methods like Kansas. Monday you can use for Jan where you can just copy. You can just drag down and you can copy the data. So I'll type down here Monday, and when I drag down, I'd enter list available. So this is, you can see us dragging down. We'll give you enter subset of data available. So Roni was dragged down. Only Roni. But if you go for Monday, you'll get different data available. So in this video, what we have seen is we have seen how to copy paste. We have seen advanced paste special. We have seen how to drag down and copy the data. In all the cells we have seen how to copy the data and paste into different worksheets, which is available. That's all.